After about 40 redos of this video, I can honestly tell you that fresh starts really are awesome. Every day is a blank slate when it comes to behavior at Parkview Elementary School. And a couple of parents have asked me if when their child's teacher does a running total of points, like you see here, does that affect the next day's outcome for points and accurate behavior recording? I'd like to show you that it doesn't impact it at all. Going to view reports, you can see that this week, nothing is showing up here on my class donut, and today, nothing shows up there as well, which is excellent because we didn't have school today. So I don't see any behaviors that are being recorded. Now, of course, most teachers at Parkview Elementary tend to reset their bubbles at the end of each and every school day. No matter how your child's teacher does their classroom behavior, whether it's a running total or a fresh start every day, it's always a fresh start at Parkview Elementary every single day. Every day is a clean slate. ClassDojo is the communication tool that we use to collaborate with our parents. We value the opportunity to give our students and their caregivers a unique view of their child's stay at PES through ClassDojo. Our Parkview staff is committed to helping every child manage their best behaviors each and every day. Learning and laughing with your child is the best part of our day. Thank you for letting us be a part of your child's team.